Okay, I'm hoping that the camera picks up all this. There's like these ducks in there. Now that I got better footage. Because I barely get to see ducks. But they're over here. I'm hoping the camera picks those up. And here he is, marked his territory. But there's looks like a whole duck family here. It's very cute and peaceful, serene. We are in another part of the forest now. It's very nice. Chong's enjoying it. It's a popular little path. Has the trees over here. He enjoys the park. It's his favorite thing to go. He gets excited about my days off because he gets to come out by the park areas. So I have more energy. We're going up this way. They kind of mowed the grass over here so you could walk, which is nice. It gives you that feeling like you're in the deep woods, but you're really not in the deep woods. You got all these trees here. You get to be at one with nature. Sometimes being at one with nature makes you feel good. Dog in the distance. We are now in a new little area. Chong's way back here. There you go. We're gonna venture on down this way. Whenever he gets through with these sticks. Come on, Chong. Chong, come on. Come on, Chong. Alright. The grass is a little deep. It is a nice little secluded area. Kind of away from the rest of the world. It is between some houses. And it seems very cool over here. They got all this thing, it looks like they're bringing some lumber down. It is a cool looking area. He's just alerting in the area. I'm hoping I don't sit there and get my legs bit off. The duck pond. So there's like 3 or 4 ducks here. Very cute area. They're having a peaceful day. It's been very exciting today. We got ducks. We got a baby deer, a mama deer. It can't get any more exciting than this. And then here's Chong. He's just waiting patiently. He don't care about the ducks, but he sure cared about that deer. And when I see something else interesting, I'll vlog more.